Imagine you're at a bustling marketplace and you notice that apples are being sold for $1 at one stall, but at another stall, they're going for $2. You realize you could buy apples cheaper from the first stall and sell them at a higher price at the second stall, making a profit with no risk. This is the basic principle behind arbitrage, and it's not just limited to apples or traditional markets. It also applies to the world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Bitcoin arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences between different cryptocurrency exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is being sold for $10,000 on exchange A but is being bought for $10,000 on exchange B, you could buy Bitcoin on exchange A and sell it on exchange B, making a $100 profit minus any transaction fees. However, Bitcoin arbitrage is not as simple as it sounds. Cryptocurrency prices can change rapidly, and the price difference might disappear before you have a chance to take advantage of it. Additionally, transaction times can vary between exchanges, and a slow transaction might cause you to miss out on an arbitrage opportunity. There are also risks associated with holding large amounts of cryptocurrency on exchanges, including the risk of the exchange being hacked. And while arbitrage can be profitable, it requires a deep understanding of the market and careful attention to the different factors that can influence cryptocurrency prices. Despite these challenges, many traders use automated trading systems to carry out arbitrage strategies. These systems can monitor prices on multiple exchanges simultaneously and execute trades when an arbitrage opportunity arises. But even with these systems, it's important to stay informed about market conditions and potential risks. Bitcoin arbitrage can be a profitable strategy, but it's also equally easy to lose money when the market shifts or issues arise that you didn't plan for. It requires a deep understanding of the cryptocurrency market, careful planning, and in many cases, the use of automated trading systems. As with any investment strategy, it's important to do your research and understand what you're getting into before you start trading. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe.